Good afternoon, this is McKayla Tennyson with grain commentary for the market week ending September 18th. All three markets closed higher this week, with corn futures finishing up 10 cents, soybean futures finishing up 47 cents, and wheat futures finishing up 32 cents. Corn futures jumped to its highest level since mid-March, finding support from Chinese demand and the soybean market. U.S. domestic use is still unknown because of COVID's impact on ethanol demand, and ethanol production is down 15,000 barrels per day this week. Weekly export sales were strong this week at 63 million bushels, which is well ahead of the 30 million bushel pace that is needed. This week, soybean futures rose above $10 for the first time in 2 years. This support is demand-driven as China has been a continuous buyer of U.S. soybeans. Soybean prices have also found some support from a lower U.S. production estimate following last week's report. Weekly export sales for beans were also strong this week at 90 million bushels, which is well ahead of the 20 million bushel pace that is needed. Wheat was a follower of soybeans this week and found some additional support from technical buying and dryness in the Black Sea region and Argentina. Weekly export sales were at 12.3 million bushels, which is just behind the needed pace of 13.8 million bushels. In other news, at a rally in Wisconsin, President Trump announced that additional farmers' aid will be approved next week, and the USDA said that the $14 billion of aid would be available to both farmers and ranchers. Farmers can apply for the aid starting September 21st. As always, be sure to take advantage of any selling opportunities that may arise and contact your local Country Visions grain merchandiser. Thank you for listening to this week's market update and have a great weekend.